What's up, everybody? We back with another video. It's been a week. That break that we took was much needed, and we're coming back and we're swinging. Today we ended up passing two evals, as you can see in the title, and we actually blew one off open because I tried to get in. I was really confident in lower today, so I'll kind of show you just for proof. Pass this one, half pass this one, and then blew this one. So, ugh, let's not look at that anymore. Anyway, let's kind of talk about what my thought process was here on like kind of when I passed these accounts. So, coming into today, I was feeling like we were really overextended. Obviously bullish on the higher time frame. This is the hourly. And then this is the 4 hour. I had marked down here. I figured we could come back down since of this. Like, okay, ultimately, we're moving lower, but we had been moving higher. We're still ripping, and so this move I thought was overextended. We would at least need a rebalance. We have the first 4 hour gap really is here with no wick. So I'm thinking, okay, this is a strong rebalance point, and it's about EQ of this range here, the whole range. And so I'm thinking we come back and rebalance today. And we had a whole bunch of stacked lows below. We had Asia lows, and then all these other previous day lows that we had kind of honestly for whatever lows that we could come back and tap. So off open, I was kind of confident in lower, and so I ended up getting in, and I kind of got cooked off open. Was it here? No, is it back here? Right around in this area. Wait, no, it was. I can't remember. Somewhere in here. Stupid, honestly, very stupid. I was just kind of thinking, okay, I want to get in now, and then we're gonna dump on open, and I'll just pass it quick. Didn't happen. Got cooked. So I ended up buying another account, and I think I ended up passing it on this move down here. Or no, sorry. I passed I passed the account like right here. The first one. And then the second one I passed on the move. So on the first one I was like, okay, we swept, we created these lows, and we're obviously in bullish market structure. I was like, okay, we've decided not to go lower, so I got in here and ended up passing the first account here. And then I was like, okay, I kind of traded lower. But just keep in mind, guys, with these evals, I trade these evals very loosely and aggressively. So I just want to get to the funded stage. That's kind of the plan, the goal. It's not dilly-dally with these accounts. Like, okay, you may blow one like I did, but we half passed two, and now we can full pass them hopefully tomorrow. But anyway, so I took that bullish trade because we're ultimately in a bullish trend in the last, on the 4 hour chart even though we're ultimately lower, but you know what I'm saying. And so we tapped this 15-minute gap. I can't really get that even. And did I pull that? What just happened? Oh, okay. We tapped this 15-minute gap. Wait. Am I tripping? Oh, okay. Sorry. We tap this 15-minute gap right here, and we start lower. And I'm thinking, obviously this isn't perfect, but I can't deal with this right now. Wait, what am I? Okay, no, we came up. Okay, that's what it was. All right, we did tap a gap earlier. I'm just confused because I just exit out when I need to make this video right after market so that I can remember. But anyway, these rejections, this rejection zone here, even on the higher time frame, right? We had been rejecting this area of price. And so we push up, I pass because I'm thinking, okay, we ultimately are going to come up. But then we end up hitting this rejection zone and dumping. So I waited a little bit, and this candle came up. And as this candle was coming down, I ended up getting in like here on a short. thinking, okay, maybe we do want to go get these stack lows. And so I guess you could say, oh, you're just trading the range. Yeah, I guess I am. But that's kind of how evals work. I'm not really waiting for the 100% perfect thing. You know, I'm just trying to pass these things efficiently. And so we got in with 30 around here and passed our second, half past our second account. So that's kind of pretty much the day. It's good to be back. I've missed you guys. I didn't post a few of these. I didn't post. I've missed a couple days, and it's just because the content, like when I don't feel something in my heart to post, I'm not gonna post. I'm not just gonna sit here and post for content because ultimately this is just my journal. This is my, process. This is like what I'm using to track all my progress and like how far we go, And so I'm not going to post something just for content. If it's going to be posted, it's going to be something that, I think is important for my growth as well. And so that's kind of where content comes in. I obviously post every single day for trade recaps because I think that's important for me as well. And so that's kind of what I've been thinking. Anyway, that's going to do it for today's trade recap. I will catch you guys in tomorrow's recap. If you guys need a discount on Alpha, I think you guys can check it out. I know for sure 10% discount on all Alpha accounts, but there may be even a 50% discount. So I'm not quite sure, but you guys can check that out. So I will see you guys in the next video.